Hello, fellow eBay sellers. My name is Aaron Fitch. I've been selling on eBay for quite some time, and I use this nifty little spreadsheet here to calculate my eBay fees and my PayPal fees dependent on what category and the sales price of the product. You can download the spreadsheet with a link in the description. If you're signed into Google, you can make a copy into your drive, or you can download it as an Excel file. A link to my PayPal will be there as well in case you'd like to buy me a coffee for making this for you. So let's get to how this thing works. According to dummies.com, they have a nice little table here that explains the pricing structure of eBay fees. And again, that is dependent on the category and how much your sales price is. So this equation here will calculate that out. So you would choose your category. They are grouped into sections here. And then name your product, the cost of your item. I mean, you don't have to have that if you're just selling items from your home, but if you have an inventory or a supplier, you'd want to put that in. Your sales price, shipping price, if you're going to use eBay for advertising, and your eBay promotional price. And that's all you need. Then it would calculate it out here for you. You don't have to mess with these. You'd have your profit, get to see your percentage of profit. And if you're selling multiple items, it calculates the cost of those as well. Anyways, I hope you find this useful and make lots of money and have a great, great day. Bye, guys.